My name is Daryl Abeling. I'm the Pendleton UAS Range Manager. I'm responsible for day-to-day operations at the test range.
My name is Steve Lawn, and I'm the Chief Engineer at the Pendleton UAS Range. I oversee the Innovation Center and the Rapid Prototyping Facility, and I also run the internship program.
My name is Eric Smith, and I'm the Range Operations Specialist for the Pendleton Unmanned Range.
My name is Steve Chrisman, Economic Development Director for the City of Pendleton. I'm Economic Development Director and Airport Director for the city, and I oversee all recruitment, expansion, workforce development, marketing, you name it.
The Pendleton UAS Range offers 14,000 square miles of testable airspace in northeastern Oregon. We can go from surface to 15,000 feet mean sea level, which is pretty unique in the test range business. That's a lot of airspace and a lot of altitude to do some testing. We also offer hangar space. We have a lot of infrastructure with mobile mission control trailers, electronics labs, 3D printing labs, machine shop capability, and coming composite capability.
Some of the key features of the UAS range that our customers enjoy the most is the speed that we can get them up and flying. From the time they get here, their paperwork's ready to go, and we can have them out flying that same week.
We have very good relationships with landowners as well as the National Forest Service, so we're able to put you everywhere from a wheat field to a vineyard to the trees in the mountains. And whatever our company needs, depending on what they're trying to accomplish, that's a very good asset for a range to have.
The Pendleton Range operates at the speed of business. We believe in getting customers in the air as quickly and as efficiently and cost effectively and as safely as possible.
Moving at the speed of business and how the range accomplishes that is a concept that we've kind of developed. Is if you've ever had to go through some government procedure to get what you need, is usually a long drawn out process. The term red tape is the term that people like to throw around. Here at the range, we've kind of reduced that red tape, and we make it easily accessible for businesses to come in and get what they need to get their testing completed quickly. Moving at the speed of business means that we pay attention to the fact that they're spending a lot of time and effort out here to get whatever testing done they need to get done. And so we move quickly to get what they need in place.
So I see the UAS industry, it's here to stay. It's growing. It's going to be more and more prevalent in everyday life. You're going to see more applications for UAS stuff that we haven't even thought of.
The UAS industry, I've been doing this for about 15 years now inside the UAS industry. I started in the military, I did some contracting, and now working for the range. And at first I saw it as, everybody would have their personal drone that would go out and grab your food for you and bring it to your house, and deliveries would come to your doorstep, and that absolutely is coming.
I see at-home deliveries of pizza and shopping and all of those, along with the flying taxi cabs like the Vahana project. So being able to call it up on your phone and go meet it at the vertiport and have it fly you somewhere 50 miles away or so, all without a pilot on it. I think those are going to become just everyday parts of our lives.
How is the range expanding, and what can we expect for the future? We've invested upwards of $20 million in the development of UAS Industrial Park, one of the first in the nation. 16 50 by 50 test pads, UAS test pads, some of the first ever built in the nation. And so we've got equipment probably unparalleled with anyone else in the United States, any other UAS testing environment. We've also built a number of hangars, one 9,600 square foot hangar. I've got another 18,000 square foot 3-bay hangar we just completed, which is the Taj Mahal of hangars in the United States. We have a couple little transient hangars, and then the building we're in now, which is, I consider it our transitional housing for companies that come in that want to test the waters a little, try it out. We lease them out a block or two of cement in here in this old, very historic World War II hangar. We have every intention to keep that going. In fact, we have plans for 2 more 9,600 square foot hangars that'll get built over the next 12 to 18 months out in the UAS Industrial Park. We call Phase 4, the Phase 4 UAS Industrial Park. So those will get completed. We anticipate folks moving in pretty quickly. So.